Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix fingerprint not showing in settings on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if fingerprint option is not showing in your settings, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first you have to check whether your finger sensor is not damaged. If it is damaged, this may be a hardware issue. You have to check with your device manufacturer or your nearby mobile service center. So if your finger sensor is not damaged, then you can check by restarting your device. Just hold the power button and restart your device. After restarting, it may be fixed. After restarting, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just update your Android. Just open the settings. Here you will find system update. Tap on that. You have to check for update. If there is any pending update available, you have to just update and restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix fingerprint not showing in settings. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.